I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper for August 4th. Happy Wednesday, everybody. We are going to start with the SPY. I picked that 441.20 level. Yeah, I wanted to go up 20 cents. You can see it stopped right on a dime at 441. That was the high this morning. Low volume. They kicked it up this morning. That's what I noticed. Yeah, they kicked it up on it's a fake out. Yeah, volume is key. Let me just show you this. That's why I'm the volume princess. Yeah, I study volume. They can fake things out on low volume. Oh, my marker's not working. All right, but you can see here in the morning, yeah, very low, and then they dropped it. So we are bearish below 439.50. We'll see if we go below that. And that's below this peanut butter and jelly on the 5-minute chart. Let's go to the Russell, the IWM. Okay, no new dark pool levels. Pretty quiet yesterday. The Qs, we got a small one. But for the Russell, we're going to be bullish above 221.25. They also kicked it up on low volume this morning. Looks like some volume's coming in right down here, though. So we are going to be bearish. Well, I was bearish below 219.50. We just hit my first target. So I would watch that 219 level. That would be my next entry if it goes below that. This is the first test. Computers are programmed to buy the first time around. We like to wait. Usually 25 minutes, unless the stock is riding on the express train, then it won't do that. And I'll teach you all about that in boot camp. Let's go to the QQQs. All right, bullish above 367.26 and bear below 365.26. We have not pierced those levels yet. Gave pretty wide levels for the Qs. We got this new level, 364.48. All right, let's go to the E-minis. Bullish above 44.15 and bear below 44.04. You can see we came right down to that level and bounced. And why is that? Well, I'm going to guess. Yep, there's a Camarilla right there. Yeah, so I'll show you guys, right, this green line. Yep, Camarilla, that's why I went bearish below. We'll see if it can hold on to that, but you can see the volume spike that came in. Yeah, computers are programmed to buy and sell on these levels. So I'll show you that every single day. The NASDAQ futures, let's go to this. Oh, we just fell below it. All right, NASDAQ futures. We are bullish above 15,120 and bear below 14,975. We're in between that. Let's head on over to the oil futures. Yeah, we're losing that 70 level. We lost the pivot this morning. So we're only going to be bullish above 71 up here and bear below 69.98, which we just went below about 7 o'clock. Yep, and we're traveling. So the next big level to watch really is this S1 level, 68.96. So if we do go below that, there's another short trade below that. But we have triggered the short trade on this one. Let's go to gold. Gold is busting a move this morning. Already hit lots of targets. Oh, look at that. We're hitting a big trend line too. Let's go to our weekly chart. And yep, oh, this is it, you guys. Let's see. It's Wednesday, though. They do like to fake us out. But let's see if they push it up. We've gotten some very sneaky dark pool activity on gold in the past couple weeks. So we are watching this very carefully. Talked about this a lot. Yesterday I talked about an interview. I talked about it on national TV. The sneaky prints. Out of control. Today, bullish above 18.18, and we did lift there, and I think we hit all the targets. Yes, we did. So what I would watch is this R3 level. Okay, so if we hit that person's pivots really early on, there's usually a high probability we'll go way higher. If it takes all day to get there, then that's usually the top that's overbought area. But if we hit it, like we're going to hit it any second, we hit it right now, There'll be some sellers there, but the odds are that we can go much, much higher. So stay tuned for that. Let's go to Bitcoin. Let's see what that is doing. All right, Bitcoin coming up to person's pivot right now. Today we're going to be bullish above 38,525. Okay, I went above, a little bit above that pivot, and bear below 37,400. Okay, let's go to individual stocks. We will start with AMD. That has been a superstar. I know a lot of you guys have been trading it. So yeah, where do we go from here? Well, 115 is a major level. Yeah, $5 increments. We came an eighth shy. I talk about that in my book. The last eighth is the most expensive eighth in the entire world. They pull it back. So if we do go above 114, then we'll most likely hit that 115. Oops, let me just change this to a decimal. Okay. However, there could be a retracement trade below 112.50. Yeah, so what the stock has been doing is it's been retracing. You can see on this 4 EMA, the pink line on the daily chart. Yep, every time we get far away from it, we retrace back to it before moving up again. So always have that trade set up for you for a day trade. All right, just a day trade. Let's go to NEO. Bullish above 46 and bear below 43.80. All right, we had a recent dark pool print at 43.95, so wanted to go below that. Let's head on over to Tesla. Bullish above 717.50 and bear below 710 for a retracement trade. Under Armour had a nice move yesterday. It was a great whisper. Today, bullish above 23.61 and bear below 22.80 for a retracement trade. All right, TIGR, lots of volume this morning. Bullish above 17.50 and bear below 16.40 for TIGR. General Motors had earnings this morning, and they did not like them. Nope. So today we're going to be bearish below 56. There is a trade all the way down to these two moving averages here. The 161 EMA in gray and the 180 simple moving average in a light purple. So we'll see if it does head on down that way. That's why that was my last target right there. Bullish above 59. If it does reverse and things get really bullish all of a sudden, then 59 is that key level. And last but certainly not least, Robinhood. Yeah, now I wouldn't use them as a broker, but trading the stock, not a bad idea, especially when it goes above the massive dark pool print area, which was $38. There's a $400 million trade there yesterday. We ripped above it, and guess what? Today there's options on it. I don't know how voluminous they're going to be. We'll check them out today, but the whisper is bullish above 54.50 and bearish below 51. All right, there you have it. Those are your whispers. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret.